Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the video ready. Copy its full YouTube link and keep it visible. Next, choose static if you never plan to change the destination. Otherwise, pick a dynamic generator so you can edit later and see analytics. Once done, open your chosen QR tool and paste the URL into the target field. Make sure to set the link protocol, HTTPS, correctly. Incorrect prefixes cause failed scans. Start with these steps to move from preparation into actual QR creation. Now customize the code for reliability and brand. Increase error correction to M or H so the QR survives crease or partial obstruction. That also lets you place a logo. Choose high contrast colors, dark code on a light background, and set margins and minimum pixel size for printing. If you enabled dynamic features, configure redirects, campaign tags, and analytics tracking before generating. Once configured, preview the QR on screen and test scan. With two different, export the finished code in the right format, SVG or PDF for large prints, PNG at 300 dpi for common use. Once exported, place the QR with a clear quiet zone and avoid curves or folds, then publish on your chosen media and monitor scan analytics if dynamic. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Verify contrast and physical size first. Most failures come from low contrast, too small codes, or missing quiet zones. Then rescan with a different device and adjust error correction or regenerate as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.